Today we are going to see chapter number 3, that is provision and reserve of standard 11 commerce subject account. This is the second part of the chapter number 3. In first part we have seen the meaning of provision, characteristic of provision as well as importance of provision. Today we are going to see the reserve. So here reserve we already discussed in our last video that reserve is something that we are keeping aside to make our business financial position strong. And here we will see the meaning of reserve, characteristic as well as importance of reserve. Let's see meaning of reserve. So here reserve means an amount appropriated out of the profit to increase the financial soundness. So here we are keeping reserve aside to make the financial position sound. Here when we are keeping provision, we are keeping the soundness of the liability. That means when we have to pay the liability, that time we are keeping provision aside. But here there is no intention to pay the liability. Here the intention of the reserve is to make the business sound, and that's why we are keeping the reserve. And or to meet the contingent loss or liability in the future is called the reserve. So here this is the definition of the reserve. Now let's see the characteristic of reserve. So very first characteristic of reserve is created for the financial soundness of the business or for the growth of the business. That means if we wanted to expand our business, that time we are keeping the reserve aside, or to meet the contingent requirement of the business. So if there is a contingent requirement, that time only we are keeping the reserve aside. Now next is a reserve is created out of the profit and loss appropriation account. As we know, provision we are keeping aside from the profit and loss account, and reserve we are keeping aside from the profit and loss appropriation account. The third one is a certain reserve can be created to meet the statutory requirement. So here according to the Company Act, some of the company have to keep reserve aside, and it is compulsory by law. So those companies who have to keep the reserve aside from the law, they supposed to keep the reserve aside, and that type of requirement is called statutory requirement. So the company have to keep the reserve aside, and it is compulsory by the Companies Act. So that is the reserve. So now let's see the importance of reserve. Why we supposed to keep the reserve aside? So in that we already learned before that the required fund or expansion. See here, when there is a need of the expansion of the business, if we have keep the reserve aside, that will be useful for the expansion of the business. So here expansion of the business is available from the profit. Hence, there is no need to borrow fund. So if there is a fund is already there in the business, we don't have to ask the money for the expansion from the outside. So that is the very first benefit and other. Then if we are not asking fund from outside, even proprietor does not have to bring more capital to the business. So here proprietor also don't have to bring the other capital from the home to expand the business. So here from the business only we can expand our business. So that is also very important importance of the reserve. The second one is financial solvency of the firm increases by transferring some amount out of the profit to reserve account. So here by keeping reserve aside, financial solvency, that means if there is a liability, that liability can be paid off very nicely, and because of that the solvency of the business can be possible. So for the solvency of the business there is a need to keep the reserve aside. The third one is uncertain or contingent expense or loss can be met if there is sufficient reserve. So here if there is in the business we know that there are the plenty uncertain accident can be happen. So in that time if there is a reserve in the business, that can be utilized very nicely, and the business can come out from any difficulty with the help of the reserve. So that is. The next one is a reserve can be used to honor the long-term liability. So here we have the reserve. So from that reserve we can honor, we can repay the liability, long-term liability very nicely. The fifth one is a company can maintain dividend year. So here, as we know, that company is supposed to maintain the dividend equally, so that the financial soundness of the company can be maintained, and the trust of the shareholder can be there in the big company. So for that, if there is a less profit in that year, also company can give dividend equally, and for that the reserve is needed. The last point is a reserves are created to fulfill the statutory requirement, that we already seen that some company have to keep the provision under the statutory requirement, and that is possible with the help of reserve only. So it is compulsory by some of the company to keep reserve aside, and for that company have to keep it. So students, you may note down this. This is the reserve, characteristic of reserve as well as importance of reserve. Thank you for watching this video.